So, good afternoon, everyone. So we are here with Anant today. जैसे मैंने आपको एक clipping दिखाई थी थोड़े दिन पहले, we had a word with Anant, and Anant is a genius in programming. He's just 9 years old, and he's too good in coding. You'll get to know. Just let me do the setting, then we'll start with the thing. Let me just open it once over here. Give me 1 minute. Yeah, it's all set. Okay. Yeah. So good afternoon everyone. So we are here with Anant. Anant को सबने nickname दिया है Dell because he is too fond of working on computers, right, Dell?
Yes.
So Anant, who named you Dell?
My father.
Your father. Okay, that is great. So Anant is 9 year old and he is studying in class 4th and now will be going in class 5th, right Anant?
Yes.
Okay, so Anant, आप सबको बताओ कि how you got interest in programming. What was the first thing you did when you realized that yes, programming is very interesting and you want to do something in this line?
About 4 to 5 years ago, I didn't know anything about coding, but I asked my father how to make a robot, like
Okay.
in movies. My father told me you need to learn programming for that. So I said, how to do programming? Then Papa said, you watch YouTube videos, YouTube classes, then you know about it. Then I started watching YouTube videos. I have watched more than 1,000 videos
Oh,
of coding.
that's
Not
great.
more than every channel. For every channel, in total I have watched 1,000 videos. Then once I was watching a video when I saw your YouTube channel. Then I watched one video of your channel. Then I thought it was great. So
Okay.
then I followed your channel.
That's great. That's so nice to know, Anant, and it is really lovely that I could help you in your passion. I could help you somehow to learn programming and you can work in it. Okay. So, which languages you have done till now?
C, C++, and Python, and I've also learned Java.
You have also learned Java. You've started with Java.
Yes,
And which
yes,
one is
yes,
your
yes.
favorite
I
out of
did
these?
C, C++.
Same here. You know, mine favorite language is also C and C++. Specifically C. That was the first language I learned. But there is a big difference in your age and my age when I learned. I learned when I was, I guess, 17 or 18 years old. But you have started very early. That's really, really great. Okay, so what do you think about Python? Don't you like Python? It's the easiest language.
Yes, I like Python, but I like more C, C++, Java than Python.
Tell me the most interesting program you have made in C till now.
Till now, I like graphics the most.
You like
Graphics.
graphics the most. Have you made any game in C?
And yes, I've made a game about like number guessing game.
Number guessing game. That is good. Okay, and what about making some kind of puzzle in C? Have you tried making some puzzle or something like that?
What do you mean by puzzle?
Puzzles like we have like you have guessing the number, so we have a game called tic-tac-toe where you know crosses and
Yes,
zeros.
Tic-Tac-Toe.
We can
Yes, yes,
make
yes.
that.
I have not made it yet, but I'm about to make Tic-Tac-Toe game also.
Okay, you know what, for you I have started this new series for C programming language where we have started with arrays. So I've started with arrays
Yes,
that I
yes,
will explain in detail, then we'll go for matrices and then data structures in detail in C.
yes. I've also got my fifth, fourth batch in hackers rank.
Oh, that's great. So you're coding
I've
C.
solved more than
Yeah, you've made.
uh yes. I'm coding in C, and My rank is about 1,94,954.
That's good at this age as a beginner. Once you will do data structures, your rank is going to like go much higher. At the age of 9, it is really good. People have their ranks in 10 lakhs and 20 lakhs when they start, or even more than that also. But how many stars you have?
4 stars
4 stars. That is good.
till
Wow,
now.
amazing, amazing.
I just started 4 days ago, 4 or
four
5 days.
4 stars in 4 days. Okay, you watched that competitive series, programming series, then you started with it.
No, 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 no.
I have started a
I
series
was
in
about to
Python
join it.
also. Okay.
I was about to join that series which we have made for competitive programming, but the problem was that it was with Python. I was
Yeah.
trying to do it with C.
You can do the same with C, doesn't matter. The logics are same. It's only the coding style becomes different as per the syntax. That is great.
Yes.
Okay. What do you
Yes.
think when we have this concept of object orientedness? Does it make our programming easier or it makes it like even
Yes.
harder?
Uh, it doesn't make our programming i- harder. It makes our programming easier.
Mm-hmm.
If we say it makes our program more secure,
Yes, that's perfectly right.
because
Hmm.
like we have a variable in our program which everyone can access. So we want
Mm-hmm.
a variable which nobody can access, only the members in the class. So we use classes and objects. So we create private and protected variables.
That's awesome. Okay, so you have knowledge of OOPS as well. So, Anant, would you like to give a message to all the other students of your fellow age, like who are in your age group and who are interested in coding? Would you like to give them a message like how should they start and how should, they work with the coding skills?
They should watch YouTube videos first.
Anjali ma'am's YouTube videos.
Yes.
Okay, no, any YouTube videos from wherever they can understand, they can watch that. But the thing is that
Yes.
they should have that the josh, the willpower to do something as you had. So that is really
Yes.
nice. That if you are determined to do something, you can achieve anything. There are so many sources nowadays, but the main power comes from within. If you yourself want to do it, then you have many options to achieve that. So that would
Yes.
be great. And thank you, Anant, for joining in. You stay in touch, and I'll try to help you out in learning more skills as I can do. And we will be having more sessions like this where we could have more students like you. So if there is anyone else who is interested in coding, you can join in and we can form a group of kids who actually code well, and then we can make some good projects like you have made small games. Then we can make proper
Yes.
good games in C as well as in Python, and I'll teach you how to do that, right?
Yes.
So that would be very interesting. Till then, what you can do is just keep enhancing your C skills, and side by
I
side,
also
yeah.
I like your channel the most of all channels.
Thank you. That's so sweet of you. So I will try to help you out, and there would be very interesting sessions. Whenever we will have such, and there will be very number of competitions I'm going to have on my channel also from next month. So you can participate on those competitions also for programming contest, and there will be some exciting prizes also in that. So I'll be starting it next
Like
month. Excited prizes like
oh,
AL Coder T-shirt, AL Coder mug, AL Coder cap, like that. So you can collect all AL Coder
I love
goodies.
that.
Yeah, so you can win that
I
all.
love that.
You can win that all
All right.
if you perform well in
Live
those.
class or what? Live class or what?
It would be live class on weekend, but there will be more students also. So we'll have number of students together competing, and
Okay.
whosoever will win will get the prize.
Okay. Okay. Then like you'll be given programs,
Yes, I will give the
questions.
programs, then you have to code for it, and then you have to submit it. So, who submits the fastest and whose code is absolutely correct will win the contest. right?
Alright,
All right.
I'll do
Oh,
that.
okay.
Yes.
So I guess that is it for today. I just wanted that I should introduce you with the other students so that they should know that they can also start at any age. People who are like too young, they can also start, and even if you are at a later age but still you have interest in coding, so there is no age of learning. You can start anytime, anywhere, provided you have the willingness to do that, right? And you are a great example for that, Anant. Wish you all the best for your future. May you reach the heights of programming, heights of coding, and get a lot of success ahead.
Yeah. When will I be given question to answer?
That will be in the contest that we will be having in the first week of May.
Okay. Uh, Next month.
Next month, yes. Till then, you can just
Alright.
practice your programming. Okay. Hi,
Uh,
Jia. So, anyone?
on
Yeah. Tell me.
So we'll have a meeting on Zoom
We'll have meeting on Zoom, but then it will
and
not be only you and me. There will be more students also,
on Zoom.
right? So anyone in the YouTube live right now who wants to ask Anant something? Do you have any questions for Anant? Jia, Jay, Mridul, anyone? He is Anand. He's 9 year old from Jharkhand, right?
No,
Anant,
I'm not from Jharkhand,
you are from
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Oh, you're Madhya Pradesh, Jia. So we have another student from Madhya Pradesh. Which city, beta?
Huh?
Which city?
Jabalpur.
Jabalpur, yes. So he's from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, and he is like programming genius. So he knows C, he knows C++, and he knows very well the difference between procedural and object-oriented programming. So he is like a real prodigy in programming, and I'm really happy to introduce him to you. Yes,
Uh, I have one down, ma'am.
you have
Yes.
one. Yeah,
C programming and Python programming. I have doubt between them.
tell me.
C uses compiler
Yeah.
and Python uses interpreter.
Mm-hmm.
So compiler takes less time to execute. Compiler is the fastest, and interpreter is slow. So can't we do anything which is also fast and also takes less memory?
No, actually, what happens, Anand, when you learn coding, when you will learn data structure, you will learn a concept called time space trade off. So, when we have to
Yes,
analyze an algorithm, there is a thing called time space trade off that says we can save one thing. Either we can save time or we can save space. So, if you go for saving space, your algorithm will take more time. If you go for saving, time, then you need more space. Means anyhow, you can save one, but the other would increase a bit. So there is always a trade-off. Although nowadays we have languages which uses compiler and interpreter both, but they have different purposes. Like you have seen in Java, if you have read, Java is both compiled and
yes,
interpreted, but at different levels.
yes,
So first your program is
yes,
compiled and then it is converted to bytecode. And then where it has to be
yes.
executed, then the bytecode is interpreted and we get the machine code. So they have their own advantages and disadvantages and we choose like which one we want to use over there. Fine. So there would always be a
So,
time space trade off. So you can always save one thing. Either you save time or you save space.
so, your data structure code will launch in 1 month.
No way, we will continue. Like I've started with arrays. As soon as we finish with arrays and matrices, we will start with data structures after that.
Alright.
Okay. Have you
Uh,
have you done Anant this selection sort, bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort? Have you done all this?
yes,
Okay, you have
I know
done
bubble sorts. Yes,
merge sort.
I've also done linear search,
That's
binary search,
that's
and
great.
linear search. I know that I I know the difference between binary search and linear search.
Okay, can you tell the difference to the audience right now?
Yes, the difference between linear search is when our elements are sorted. We
Mm-hmm.
use linear search when our elements are sorted because it takes elements one by one.
Okay. And what about binary
But
search?
binary search is is used when our elements are not sorted.
You need to
It
revise
when
this,
our
Anant.
elements are not sorted. When our elements are not sorted, linear search will take more time. It
Hmm.
is called time complexity.
How binary search will solve this, you need to work a bit more on it, and that would be uploaded very soon, so you have to
Right.
watch this. Linear search is when it is not sorted and we check one element at a
Uh,
time. We check the first, then second, then third in
yes,
a
we
line.
have we have we have starting and ending.
Yeah.
Then we have also a midpoint. Then the midpoint is then the starting is converted into midpoint, and
Hmm.
then mid and last
This
are
happens
converted
in,
into starting and ending.
yeah, so this
Then
midpoint thing happens in which search, linear or binary?
binary search.
Very good, very good, awesome. So that is great. So you will be doing these searches. It will be a revision for you. We will be doing different sortings. Then we will be doing matrices. That is a part of maths, but we will see how to code it in C. So there will be a lot more. So yes, everyone on YouTube here, I hope you have seen what Anant's knowledge is in coding. And I'm looking forward for more students like Anant coming up who really wants to learn programming, and I'm really happy that my channel is helping someone at a distant location. If YouTube wouldn't have been there, so Anant wouldn't have met me, I wouldn't have met Anant, right Anant? So thanks to this
Yes.
online platform which helps us to reach at distant locations, and really nice to see that you have keen interest in coding. So stay with me, and all the best. We will do very, 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 very good in coding, right? And you are going to reach the
Yes.
heights very soon. So just keep
Uh,
working on the competitive programming side. Abhi, it's been 4 days only, but make sure you make some programs every day, right?
then you started a playlist like complete C programming in 15 days.
C++ crash course in 15 days.
No. C language.
Okay.
First class was a 48 minutes. Second class was a.
Live
Then you
classes.
started.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Now, see what
Then you
happens.
started
I
recording.
I got your point. What happens is, like, if you are a performer, है ना, and you come live to
Mm.
perform, and if there is no one there watching you at that time, so you feel bad, right?
No. I don't feel bad.
No, no, no.
You
I
started
am
then
telling
recording.
about myself. I started that series. I started classes live. But after 2, 3 classes, students had started making excuses. We can't come at this time. We can't come at that time. So when I used to come live, there was no one. So I stopped that.
Yes.
So if there will be students,
Okay. Then you
definitely I will.
started making recorded videos.
Yeah, I will upload the recorded videos, right?
So after the switch case, you said I'll upload a video about threading something like that. Then you didn't upload for about 1 year.
I'll upload that. You send me the link of that video. I'll see which topic I told. Then I'll definitely provide you that.
Okay.
Just WhatsApp
On
me the
WhatsApp I'll
link.
send you.
Yeah, WhatsApp me the link. Okay. Okay,
Alright.
nice talking to you, Anant. Thank you. Thanks for joining in. I'll see you later. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, and bye everyone watching on YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.